Do you want to learn how to download the Wise payment processor app on your mobile and register on it? So first up, I'm going to show you my dashboard. This is my account and I have been using it from quite some time now, as you can see. Now I'm going to log out of my Wise account. You can either download it from App Store or you can download it from Play Store. This is the Wise app. Now you can download it and open it up. Once you have opened it, you will see this type of login register page. And if you are a new user, click on this register button and enter your email. Now it will ask you to verify your email address. I've got an email here which says to continue opening your account, confirm your email address. I'm going to click on confirm email address and it's going to verify my email. Now we are back to our Wise account. And what kind of account would you like to open today? You can add another account later on too. So here it says two types of accounts that you can open. The first one is personal account. The second one is business account. If you're doing a freelance or business work internationally, you need to open a business account. If you're just using it for personal purposes, to send and receive money around the world for less cost or fee, you can open any one of them. I'm going to go for business account because this is mostly what people are looking for. You're a freelancer and you want to open a Wise account to accept money for freelance work. So click on this and in here you see where is your business located. You can click on this country or region and you will find all of the places where Wise is currently available. If you see unavailable next to it, it means that the Wise is currently not available for business use in that region. Like in Brazil, it's available. In India, it's available. Australia as well. And this was for business account. Now, if you want to open a personal account, if you go inside it, you'll find that in country or region, most of the countries are available, unlike when we were looking at the business account. Now let's go back to business account and let's select India and next. Now you need to put your phone number with your extension code. I can enter a phone number here, send code. Now it's going to ask me for the security code that is sent on that phone number. Now I have entered the code. Let's click on continue. And now it asks me to choose a password. Now click on register. Now it gives us this pop-up. It says we'd like to use ad tracking. Continue. Allow. What is your role in the business? You can just select one of these. I'm just going to select sole trader. And once you have signed up, you will see this dashboard over here. And now you have successfully downloaded and registered on Wise. Now you just need to complete your account setup and do a verification with them. They will get you on a video call for verification. And once done, you will have your Wise account verified, ready to accept payments from international users. So this is how you can download and register on Wise. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.